What do you think of the place?
It was originally designed for a schizophrenic werewolf who went on a full-moon killing spree in summer '92. I knew you couldn't resist seeing me again.
Is that the deluded lie you've been telling yourself, sitting here in solitude?
I told you, Mama would get you out of here. Stay out of me. We both know that she's the real enemy. She's here, in the building, right now.
У камина в 6 утра разбитая душа, и все твои обещания